Well, good Tuesday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Grace Almighty, I hope everybody's having a wonderful Tuesday. But you know what? Over here, I done studied on a few things. And you know I'm always doing stuff over here. So give me a second. I'm finna show you what I done did. Night, y'all. Here we go. Ooh, Lord. Yes, that's something you do here. Let me show you this. Can you see that? What I done did is, and I'm going to tell you, this is an idea that I got from Mr. Mark and Miss Tina Bracey over at Bumblebee Junction. What I'm going to do is I am going to attempt to grow some more cucumbers kind of late in the season, but I'm going to attempt to grow some more cucumbers underneath my shop in a shaded area. What I did was I went ahead and put some eye bolts in, and it stretches all the way across. This is probably about a 10-foot run. Over here, just twisted it up real good. And if you see up here, I have some hangers, plant hangers. I apologize for the light because it's kind of dark out here. It looks like it wants to rain, but I got some plant hangers. I may drop those down. What my thinking on it is, I'm going to drop these plant hangers down, and I'm gonna put my cucumbers hopefully in some containers, and as they grow up, I'm gonna train them to get up on this wall right here and go all the way across. And if I have to, if it works out, I'll go another 10 foot, and I'll have a 20 foot of cucumber vine just going straight down this wall right here. So that's kind of my thinking on that. It's sound. Mark and Tina have cucumbers growing over there at their home place, up underneath, well actually in front of the house, I think, up on some wire, and they just trained it to grow, because what I've just learned is cucumbers really don't need just a, hope I ain't saying no red ant pile, cucumbers just don't need just a huge amount of light. That is the east. Look at them clouds too. That is the east, and as the sun rises up, hopefully the cucumbers will get a little bit of sunlight, and as the sun crests about noon, they'll be shaded. So I'm kind of thinking maybe that'll work. I'm gonna give it a try because I definitely love cucumbers. So that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna try it. Let's go up in my shack, and y'all, this is gonna be a short video. I've been working on my dang, my mule over there, having some electrical issues with it as far as the mule charging the battery. So I've been dealing with that, and Lord have mercy. But yeah, we're gonna get off in my shack, and I'm gonna show you what I done did over there. Okie dokie, let me show you. What I done did was, yes, I broke out the heat mat and the seed trays once again. And I'm gonna attempt to start some Boston picklers and some Tuscany cantaloupe. Really like the Tuscany. It's a hybrid, but it's really still a good cantaloupe. And of course, these are Boston pickler seeds that I personally saved myself. And each one of these cell packs has 2 seeds in it. I know the cantaloupe, normally if you buy them starters, they normally come with 2 plants, so I planted 2 seeds per seed cell. And same thing with the Boston picklers. I've had horrible luck this year trying to germinate seeds, so we're just gonna see what happens, because those 16-foot beds just made me sick this year. So hopefully these will get their grow on. I'm gonna put this top on. We got the heat and mat on, and we'll just cover it up and we'll check it. We'll crack this lid on this heat tray every day, and I can see that it's starting to condensate up, which is a good thing. I didn't shoot any video on myself planting the seeds, because y'all have seen me do that a bunch of times. So yeah, I just sowed some seeds, and we're gonna see what happens. So this is gonna be a short video, y'all, just to show you what I done did today, because I'm always doing stuff over here. You and y'all know that. So I'm kind of looking forward to seeing how the system works with the cucumbers, growing them underneath my overhang. It seems like it would work, and from the information that I've received here lately, The cucumbers and actually melons don't really need just a tremendous amount of light to grow. So we're gonna see what happens. Again, I hope everybody's having a wonderful Tuesday. I sure enough thank y'all for watching this video and just joining me on what I'm doing over here, because you know I like to share. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homeless Chicks channel, gracious almighty, y'all need to come on over and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really? And with that being said, you know it's coming. Dan's sure enough gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean, nobody, especially when you're trying to regrow some cucumbers and some cantaloupes because you just like them. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.